It is Monday, May 30th of 2022. We made it to Seattle, have a couple hours before our cruise leaves, and we just are getting some skyline shots of the city. This is on the north end of the city at a place called the Gas Works Park. If I can pan over here just a little bit, you can see how there were old gas works there, and we saw a sign that said they were from the early 20th century, around 1900. So they must have supplied energy to Seattle back over 100 years ago. But again, great skyline view. It's a very, very impressive skyline. Very pretty. Okay, again, it is Monday, May 30th of 2022. We drove to the south part of downtown Seattle and stopped at this park to get a great view of the skyline. I'm going to see if I can zoom in a little bit better. There we go. Great, great view. The tallest building is the Columbia Center. Back in 2017, we went up to the top of that. They have a very nice observation deck up there, and it's way cheaper than the Space Needle. Pretty cool. But I'm going to just pan over here. In the distance, you can see a large cruise ship. That's the cruise ship we're going to be boarding in about an hour and a half or so. And then if I keep panning over, you'll see Lumen Field where the Seahawks play. Boo, boo, Seahawks. And then you go a little bit further over to the south, and then you have T-Mobile Park. That is where the Seattle Mariners play. So let me just pan back through here. We're kind of glad we came through here on Memorial Day on a holiday, because the traffic is normally pretty heavy here, and it's actually been not that bad. But there we are, looking at the Columbia Center, and goodbye. Okay, again, it is Monday, May 30th of 2022. We drove to the north side of Seattle now and went to a place called Cary Park. You get a great view of the city. Let me zoom in a little bit. That building right there is now called Climate Pledge Arena. It was the old Key Arena where the Seattle Sonics used to play until they went to Oklahoma City, and now they have a hockey team called the Seattle Kraken that plays there. Just looking over Space Needle, quite a pretty view of that. We were just on the other side not that long ago. Very pretty view. Alright, it's a little after 4 o'clock in the evening on May 30th, 2022. We have boarded a ship called Quantum of the Seas. It is a gigantic ship. I'll try to get some pictures and video of it later when we're maybe out docked somewhere and I can get a better shot of it. But we were docked in that slip right there. The ship has just backed out. It was really fun. We're at the very, very back of the ship, so we got a great view of the Seattle skyline. It's a little bit quieter in the city today. I think it's because it's Memorial Day. Not as many people are out and about. But there's downtown right there. Got another tanker right over there. There's the Seahawks Stadium, and boo, and then the Mariner Stadium is south of that. We drove by those earlier today. But again, we're just leaving the port and heading up north.